Hey, Queer V here with my first actual Artsnacks subscription box. This one's for November, and mine came a little late because I started subscribing a little late. But this is the November one, and I kind of know what's inside already because I got curious waiting around for my box, and I looked at a few different YouTubers and watched theirs, so I know what's in here, but I don't know what color I got, so let's find out what all is in here. Ooh. I'm not good at this. Like the sticker was up against here. It is. There's a sticker like right here. In the folds of this, I almost cut the sticker. This is a really, really pretty sticker. I really like it. Come on. Yeah. This sticker is awesome. This is maybe my favorite Artsnacks sticker. I love the colors and it's so pretty. For my birthday month. Ooh, okay. I got red. This is bigger than I thought. Wow. Okay. So the snack is sweet tarts, and mine is kind of open. Well, that's okay. Alright, and here it also comes with this little thing about the gouache. I always want to call it like gouache for some reason. I don't know why, but alright, here's the menu. And let's open this guy up. Oops, I did it backwards before, so let's do it the right way. What's inside? Oh, in here. Tricked me. Whoa, this pencil is also more giant than I thought. Alright, so got this giant pencil and a pen and ooh, a tiny paintbrush. Tiny paintbrush! My first tiny one. Alright. So let's look at the menu and see these things in a little more detail. So the first thing on here is the Liquitex acrylic gouache, a $10.99 retail. This is a new product. This fall, Liquitex is introducing new paint for a new artist, acrylic gouache. Say goodbye to visible brush strokes and cracks. This ultra-pigmented paint has solid matte finish that doesn't reflect light. With excellent fluidity and application, there's no need to dilute this gouache with water. Thanks to its acrylic base, it's permanent and water resistant when dry and cannot be reactivated with water. Pair this paint with your new Winsor & Newton brush and be amazed at its smooth performance, perfect for design, illustration, and fine art. Looks fancy. Alright, and the next thing is the brush. So, oh, you know what, I didn't really put the gouache very close. Let's get that close up. Come on. Why won't you do it? Primary red. There we go. And I know I have to open that, which I'm not gonna do that yet, but then there's it's like a, wait, yeah, that kind of cap. Forgot I should probably show that. Alright, I'll open that later. I've seen it get messy. Alright, so here is the paintbrush. No, okay. But that's fine. It's a small 3 round. Oh, it says round size 3. I guess everybody got that. Winsor & Newton Galerius Short Handle Brush, round, size 3. $8.49 retail. It's pretty expensive for a tiny brush, I feel. Specifically designed for use with acrylic paints, the Winsor & Newton Gallery Short Handle Brush features a unique blend of synthetic filaments developed to provide control and shape retention. Acrylic color places heavy demands on brushes, which is why Winsor & Newton made the Gallery strong and resilient, but flexible and sensitive. The short-handled version is ideal for close-up work and fine details. Cool. Alright, and then we have the Sakura Micro Perm pen. Come on. This is a $2.79 retail. It is a staff favorite. This is the tip. I believe in my camera. Come on. Nope. Well, you get the gist. Alright. The Sakura Microperm pen works like magic. From paper to diamonds, this pen writes on almost every surface imaginable. Its black ink is waterproof and permanent, perfect for making precise, long-lasting, fine lines. The nib also has a protected tip, so you don't have to worry about splitting. So, actually, when I watched a Art Adventures video on the November box, I was like, what? Paper to diamonds? Really? This pen writes on diamonds? I googled it, and apparently diamond cutters actually use this pen for real. So that's pretty cool. Cool facts. Alright, and the next thing on here is the Cretacolor Mega Graphite pencil. I got HB. I like HB. This is a $2.30 retail. This pencil deserves full marks. With an exceptionally strong jumbo body, the Cretacolor Mega Graphite pencil makes a huge statement. It's loaded with high-quality graphite formulated to be extra smooth and easily blended. The traditional hard cedar wood casing can be sharpened to a clean, fine point, ideal for thin lines as well as covering large areas. This pencil is available in a variety of grades. Which one did you get? I got HB. Woo. Alright, so the joke for this month is, where do artists go on vacation? Colorado! That's pretty good. Alright, so I'm pretty excited to use these. I wish that there was maybe something else in the box. I feel like it maybe just reaches the cost of the box with all of the products, and maybe not even that. So it would have been cool to maybe get something else, or I don't know, getting both a pencil and a pen. I would have liked another color to work with, not just one color, but I'll figure it out. Make it work. And yeah, I'll see what I come up with for the Artsnacks challenge for this month. And I'll see you guys then.